Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change GitHub language. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to open your favorite web browser and head over to the GitHub website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select Settings. You'll then be directed to a page where you can manage different aspects of your account. On the left-hand side, make sure you are on Public Profile. Here, scroll down to the bottom until you see Trending Settings. And here, look for the Preferred Spoken Language section. Here's where you can select the language you want to prioritize when interacting with content on GitHub. Click on the drop-down menu to see the available language options and choose the language that best suits your needs. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, remember to save your changes. This will ensure that all the customizations you've just set take effect the next time you browse through GitHub. And that's it. So that is how you can change GitHub language. So that's all for this video. Thanks.